You probably already have a PayPal account. After all, the platform already has 433 million users around the world. But if not, it's super easy to sign up. And once your PayPal account is up and running, you can pad your income by playing online games. Yes, and being for real. Of course, some gaming platforms can turn out to be scams or time wasters, which is why I'm here to help you choose wisely. Here are 9 games that pay real money via PayPal. First up, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a super reputable rewards platform that offers a wide variety of games that pay real money. And playing games is just one of several ways to earn money on Swagbucks. You can also earn by taking surveys, signing up for new services, searching the web, and even shopping. There are 2 ways to earn Swagbucks SB points while gaming on the platform. First is by making in-game purchases through Game Show Network, GSN, which partners with Swagbucks. And the second is by playing original Swagbucks games, which are completely free. Each SB point is worth a cent, and you'll be able to cash out once you have 300 points. Getting money through PayPal might be the most obvious option. I mean, duh, you're watching this. But you can also opt for a Visa prepaid card or gift cards to popular retailers like Walmart and Amazon. Mistplay is one of the most popular platforms for games that pay real money. Heck, it's been downloaded over 10 million times. You can access the app through the Google Play Store, where it has a 4.1 star rating. From there, Mistplay will recommend games you might be interested in playing. You'll even get a personalized library full of games that suit your taste. That's something that's especially cool about Mistplay. Not only can you earn money, but they also go above and beyond to make sure it's a fun experience. The longer you play each game, the more units you'll earn. The value of a unit depends on what you redeem it for, but 1,500 units generally equal $5. You can cash out through PayPal or choose a gift card to popular retailers. You can't have the real money-earning games conversation without mentioning Solitaire Cube. It has a 4.6 star rating on the Apple App Store, and I think I know why. Solitaire Cube is seriously fun, and not a scam. Classic Solitaire might be a one-person game, but on Solitaire Cube, you can compete with other people in special competitions. And some of those competitions offer real-world prizes for the winners. In addition to prize money, you can earn loyalty rewards just for continuing to play the game. And here's a stat you'll hardly be able to believe. Solitaire Cube paid its top player $380,980. That's more than half of what some Major League Baseball players make. InboxDollars is an all-in-one rewards platform, so you can earn in more ways than just playing games. But rest assured, InboxDollars also offers plenty of games that pay real money, and just looking at their names is enough to know they're genuinely fun. I mean, who wouldn't want to play games like Monkey Bubble Shooter, Mahjong, Solitaire, Candy Jam, and Outspell? As you play, you'll get real US dollars put into your account, which means you don't have to worry about some convoluted point system. And you can get a $5 sign-up bonus if you use our link below, so you'll be off to a great start. I'm sure you've played traditional bingo at some point in your life. But what about Blackout Bingo? If you're not familiar with it, you should consider checking it out. I think it's one of the best games that pays real money. It's an action-packed twist on the original version of Bingo, where each game takes only 2 minutes. In reviews, people often repeat the same idea. To win Blackout Bingo, you've got to move fast. So if quick thinking and quick clicking are your specialty, then this could be the game for you. Make sure to check out my guide on the best bingo games that pay out real money too. Pool Payday is just what it sounds like, an online game where you can play pool and get paid. The game itself is a straightforward digital version of pool. What makes Pool Payday so unique is the cash prizes. In Pool Payday, you compete head-to-head against real opponents. There are 2 gameplay options. The first is real-time, where you take turns with your opponent, just like in real billiards. And the second is offline, where you and your opponent play independently to rack up points. No matter which mode you play, you can earn real cash prizes. MyPoints is one of the best reward sites on the web. There are lots of ways to earn money on MyPoints, including taking surveys, scanning receipts, signing up for free trials, and of course, playing games. When it comes to gaming on MyPoints though, you're not stuck playing the same game again and again. There are tons of games available in several different categories. You'll get points as you play, and each point is worth about half a penny. Then, you can redeem those points for cash or a gift card once you reach $10. Rakuten is a rewards platform that lets you earn cash back when you shop through their app. Okay, so let me be honest. Using Rakuten doesn't involve playing games in the traditional sense, but shopping with one of the 3,500 plus retailers and getting cash back in return is seriously fun and sort of a game in its own way. And it can be a lucrative game too. Sign up via the link below to get started. Toluna is an online survey platform that also offers online games. The key with Toluna is to check ahead of time that a game will give you points. Some games are PayPal games that pay real money, but others are just for fun. Plus, you can break it up with some surveys. And hey, taking surveys is also sort of a game, so you might as well give it a try. Now, you're not gonna get rich with these, but you can rest assured that they are legitimate and will pad your wallet some. And hey, who wouldn't say no to some extra spending money? So get to gaming and earning. And make sure to subscribe for more ways to make free money while you're at it.